Hi, my name is Merlin Davis. I'm the General Manager here at Moore Home Services. Moore Home Services is a full-service HVAC and plumbing company. We offer the full range of services, repair, and replacement options across both verticals. We do anything from drain clearing to water heater replacement or customized water treatment to your home, heat pump electric conversion, and advanced smart home systems for your heating and cooling needs. The biggest reasons to choose Moore Home Services are our outstanding industry-leading guarantees. We have our no surprise guarantee, so you know when you sign with us, the service and work we're going to perform is exactly what you pay for. There's no surprises down the line with change orders. We have our 100% right or 100% free guarantee, which guarantees that if we can't do it right or we don't bid it right correctly the first time, you won't have to pay us anything for any of the work that was done. The team here at Moore Home Services strives for the most professional and friendly experience you can get in the market. Something that's close, personal, and a level of expertise that's hard to find a combination of. Our technicians are fully background checked, trained annually. They have a fully stocked truck. They're there to help you and provide good deeds for free as needed. We strive for the top tier performance, top tier service that you can get across any options in the market. One of the things we find that our customers in our Sonoma, Napa, and Marin County areas experience the most is a fear of being steered one direction or another. Our technicians are trained annually, monthly. We constantly go into people's homes and give repair or replacement options in side-by-side examples so that people can make informed decisions for themselves and they don't get steered one way or the other. And then you combine that with our 100% right or 100% free and no surprise guarantees. We end up with a guarantee that you are going to be comfortable and confident in the decisions you make going forward when you move forward with us. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please reach out to Moore Home Services, the more professional, more custom, more expert team to deliver your heating and cooling needs. With us, you get more, 100% right or 100% free every time.